Do Abby and Brittany Hensel share a romantic relationship?
Hello everyone! Today we're discussing an incredible story of sisterhood, unity, and individuality, that of Abby and Brittany Hensel. These conjoined twins have been a topic of much curiosity and wonder, not only due to their physical conjoinment but also because of their unique lifestyle. Today, we're specifically going to answer the question, do Abby and Brittany Hensel share a romantic relationship?
Who are Abby and Brittany Hensel?
Before we delve into the details of their personal lives, let's understand who Abby and Brittany Hensel are. Born on March 7, 1990, Abby and Brittany are dicephalic parapagous twins, which means they are conjoined twins, each of whom has a separate head, but whose bodies are joined. They are highly symmetric, giving the appearance of having just one body with little variation from normal proportions. Despite sharing a body, Abby and Brittany have distinct personalities, preferences, and even separate vital organs. Each controls one arm and one leg, the side corresponding to her own head.
Understanding their personal lives.
Abby and Brittany have always been very private when it comes to their personal lives. In the public domain, they've openly discussed their careers, the process of cooperation in daily activities, and their shared experiences, but they've largely kept their romantic and personal lives out of the spotlight. It's important to remember that while they share a body, Abby and Brittany are two distinct individuals with their own feelings, experiences, and personal relationships.
Do they share a romantic relationship?
Coming to the question at hand, do Abby and Brittany share a romantic relationship? The short answer is no. While Abby and Brittany share a body, they do not share romantic relationships. They each have their own individual emotions, feelings, and preferences, which includes romantic attractions. Although they have kept their love lives private, they have spoken about getting married and starting a family in the future. In conclusion, Abby and Brittany Hensel, while sharing a body, led distinct personal lives. They do not share a romantic relationship, highlighting their individuality and personal autonomy. Their story continues to inspire and challenge our understanding of individuality, personal space, and the complex nature of human relationships. We hope this video has been informative and helps to dispel misconceptions about conjoined twins.